I've always wanted a kayak to go fishing in the backyard pond, or even just take out in the ICW or in the Cape Fear River, but the one I got just wasn't quite fishing enough without adding a bunch of accessories to it. So luckily enough, I was able to get this here from my dad. This was just hanging out at his house, not being used, and he asked if I wanted it, and so I took it off his hand, and I just want to do a quick walkthrough of what this fishing kayak has in terms of features. So if you're looking for a kayak, this will give you some idea of what to work with, especially if you are a beginner kayaker or you're looking to maybe try it. This is what I'm working with here. So this is by Lifetime. It's the Tamarack kayak, fishing kayak. And what I like about this one is that you have several fishing rod holders. A lot of fishing kayaks only come with the two that you see in the back, but this one also has the adjustable one up front here, where you can turn it in or out however way you want to, based on how you might be fishing. Another great thing about this kayak too is this has storage up front. So if you want to keep your bait, usually I keep like my pliers, towel, phone in there. And then you have this one in the back. Now it's missing the bucket, but you can get one very easily that would fit that without any problem. You have your fold down seats here. That's for the most part comfortable. I never really have any complaints with it. A lot of leg space. This is 10-foot kayak. It's super light. I take this thing in and out of the garage or out of the backyard whenever I want to go fishing. I was using like a dolly trailer like system, but it kept falling off, so I scrapped that completely, and now I just drag it by hand. And I'm not dragging on any type of like rough surface like rocks or anything like that where it's going to get banged up. But another great thing about this kayak is you have this Yak Attack anchor line here, where it allows you to adjust your positioning of your boat based on where your anchor is set. So without having to take your anchor up, you can rotate. I think do I have this lock? Maybe I do. I'm not on this thing. Here we go. I had it in there. So let me unlock it. But you can rotate this up here, front or back, like this, and it's gonna swing you either front or back based on where your anchor line is set, so you don't have to pick it up in order to find the spot that you want to fish on. But this here again is the Lifetime 10-foot Tamarack. It's actually, the full name is Tamarack 100 Angler Kayak. And like I said, I was able to get this bad boy for free. I had owned a kayak beforehand, but did not like it because of the fact that I wanted extra fishing rod holders, as well as the additional storage. And when you start adding everything up, it can get really expensive. So having a kayak like this here, where it comes with everything that you would need in order to get started, makes it a lot easier to go fishing on a kayak. And again, I use this thing here in the backyard pond all the time. Really stable. Never really had any issue. I think I maybe fell out of once, but that wasn't because of the kayak. It was because of an alligator. So again, I like the way this kayak holds up. Light, big enough, and not on here are the actual paddles, which you can attach via I have a carabiner that I can put it here, so if it was to fall off, it's not going to leave me floating up the creek without a paddle. And then I also have a fishing crate that has additional fishing rod holders that I attach with bungee cords back here. And when I don't have that, I'll just throw my bag on the back. And then you have your bungee cords up front where you can put additional storage here. But I hope you like this kayak. If you're looking for one, definitely check this out. What I'll do, I'll put a link to it, and yeah, hopefully get some fishing done here. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, please share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time I'm on the water. Peace, y'all.